Well, hello everyone. Bo Tipton here from BoTipton.com. And here we are in beautiful downtown Danville, Kentucky. Some of you see my videos knows that. Anyway, here's something I have for you today. A lot of times in internet marketing, you're told you need to do this, or you need to do this, especially when it comes to getting traffic. But they don't give you ideas or tell you how to do it. This is what you need to do it. Or you need to be on Pinterest, making pins. What about the pins? What kind of pins do I need? You need to be on Instagram, posting there. Well, what do I need to post? You need to be on Facebook, posting there. What do I need to post? Well, what I've done is I've put together an ebook that you see right here that is about ideas of posts that you can use on Facebook that work, that will get you noticed, and it will help you build up your friends list. It'll build up the number of people who see what you post. It works in any niche. It does not matter whether you're in a dog niche, you're in photography niche, you're in internet marketing niche, any niche, it works. And this is a free copy. It doesn't cost you anything. There's a link, down below, that whole down below thing, down there. There's a link down there. Click on that link. It will take you to a page where you can get this, and it doesn't cost you anything. And I made this ebook. I put it together with posts that have worked for me. So when they say you need to post on Facebook, you have some ideas of what to post. And many of these posts, all these posts will work on your personal profile, and most of them work on your fan page or your business page. To use these posts to build up your followers, get people to notice you, and so that you get more people noticing when you put up a link or something you want them to go to. So anyway, real quick video about it. Right here, post the ideas that work on social media, learn what posts get you notified, and work with any niche. Link down below. Click on the link, and it will take you to where you can get a free copy of this. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.